How's that? You want a house, a villa, duplex, townhouse, or apartment? You ready to buy one?
You wanna find your forever after home.
Well, how's that gonna happen?
Well, how's that